A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's paint. Red color A. A for ant. X. X for xylophone. G. G for grapes. K. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color B. B for bat. B for bat. W. W for watch. W for watch. F. F for frog. F for frog. L. L for lion. L for lion. Blue color M. M for moon. M for moon. V. V for violin. V for violin. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. R. R for ring. R for ring. Green color O. O for orange. for orange. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. D. D for drum. D for drum. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Pink color H. H for horse. H for horse. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Orange color J. J for juice. J for juice. E. E for egg. E for egg. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Light pink color I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. N. N for nose. N for nose. Brown color Q. Q for quail. Q for quail. Now let's paint 1 to 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 0. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.